Uber published their third quarter and they are down now 7% on the pre-market until exactly what happened and should you buy, sell, or hold the stock. It's exactly what we're talking about today, guys. So let's dive deep into Uber. As you can see here in the pre-market, minus 7%. Let's take a look what happened. Fell 8% despite the third quarter revenue beat. So they actually beat the earnings. And what happened? Uber top Wall Street third quarter estimates both on the revenue side and also on the earnings side. So yeah, big plus. Euro Studio is also really optimistic, and yeah, all the trips. There were a lot of trips, more trips increased, right? The drivers increased, so everything really positive for the stock. Earnings per share were $3, and the revenue was 13 billion, bit more than expected, so really good. And they also, recently had the partnership with Nvidia, so yeah, I think they're in a good position. But they maybe, I don't know why it is advertisement, no thanks. The Wall Street wanted more, but and also another reason is because we're another reason why the stock has fallen today on 7% is also because the market is a bit down. As you can see here, we have Netflix down, Apple down, as you can see. Almost also crypto really on negative side. So we have a pretty 1.5% negative also in the Nasdaq. So yeah, a lot of things are selling. They outperformed despite the fact that they outperformed generally, and we're talking now about the fundamentals and how I see the long-term run for Uber stock. We currently have a price earning ratio of 14, actually cheap, but as you can see next year 27, so we have a decrease of 36% on the revenue side. That's also why the stock fell down on the last years. The 2024 they did not make so good, but in the last 6 months we had on year we had 36%, so really good. If you take a look at the next years, they will grow almost every single year over 20%. As you can see here, we have 28, estimate of 19. I think they will continue to grow. And yeah, take a look at the debt to equity ratio. Of course, they have debt, they're a startup. But I think now they are having more cash flow positive. And yeah, they will be at the break even point very soon. So I'm bullish on that. They're expanding in so many countries, it's so successful. Even though they have this competition in the market with Tesla and Rivian and so on. For the autonomous drive, they still have, for example, Europe, and Europe will not immediately implement all this Tesla taxis, etc. So yeah, that's really good for Uber for the next years. And when you take a look at the profitability, they have also really good gross margins. As you can see, 34% almost. The EBIT margin also almost 10%. So I think the stock is really fair priced valued, and it's not a high risk stuff. I mean, it's just a solid stock. I would prefer to do it because I can use the product, I understand the product, and I'm bullish on the product. That's why I think it's not an overly heavy buy, but it's still a buy if you are looking for something secure what you understand. I think this is a way to go. We have no dividend rate, but this is still, guys, really good. Take a look at the chart. On the right, as you can see here, we were on a side range with top of $102, and now we may go down to we have the support line here on 86 and on 88. Let's see. I don't think that we crossed down and just fell down. I don't think so. So technically, it's also interesting. If we fell down on 7%, we are $92. So we are here, and I don't think that we can go like this. But I think the upside potential is only until $85. So yeah, I think it's during this during 95 and $88. I think it's a good buy. And yeah, this is a good day because all the stock market today is a bit, yeah, just low valuated. Even though we made a good rally, but you can see this all the stocks 50%. So yeah, as you can see, it's just buying opportunity when we fell down massively. But yeah, the earnings were really, really good, so that's why I'm so bullish. Normally, I would not say like maybe competition, but the earnings, they really crushed it. So yeah, that's just a recommendation. Leave a like and subscribe my channel for the next stock to analyze. And have a nice day. Bye bye.